अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, आपका मेज़बान ज़हूर अहमद लूटन बरतानिया से आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर है और आप देख रहे हैं गोसिया टीवी। मैं आज रोलवी हाउस में मौजूद हूँ। यहाँ पे मेरे साथ डॉक्टर ताहिर महमूद, चेयरमैन यूके कोटली फाउंडेशन हैं। डॉक्टर साहब ने फंक्शन ऑर्गेनाइज किया है 24 जून 2018 इन लूटन। सो आइए जानते हैं कि ये क्या कहते हैं।
UK Coatley Foundation is our charity organization which is working in the UK for the last 7-8 years. In the UK we promote health in especially Luton area in the community. Our programs are funded by Luton Borough Council. This year we're going to organize a health promotion seminar in which we're going to teach people how to save life by giving them actual training on mannequins about saving lives. It's called Basic Life Sport Training. Which will be conducted by Luton Dunstable emergency doctors and London paramedics and also by local doctors. In this program we invite about 200 people in the families, and especially living in the Luton area, and they get a first-hand experience of having training on the mannequins. It's quite effective tool which helps you to save people's life before the ambulance arrives. For example, in Luton area particularly, we need to create awareness about saving life. For example, if someone collapses at home or at work or playground, then you will call the ambulance. But before the ambulance comes, it's very critical that you do something which will increase the chances of survival of that person. For example, you start basic life sport, which is we call BLS. So you will get first-hand training. It's a free training, free entry to our seminar, which is going to be on 24th of June 2018 on Sunday at Denby High School, Alexandra Avenue, Luton. So everyone from the Luton area, especially Biscuit Ward and Saints area, are most welcome to come with the families, with your children, with your elders, and have interactive sessions with the professionals about saving life, about first aid training. So the entry is free. The program will start 12 o'clock and it will last an hour and a half. So I will encourage you to please come and join us and have a lovely time spending on training on saving, learning basic life sport. Thank you.
मज़ीद हम ताज़ा तरीन वीडियोज़ लेकर आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर होते रहेंगे। अपने मेज़बान ज़हूर अहमद को लुटन बरतानिया से इजाज़त दें। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।